was surprised. Oh my god, this outcome, this hair is so pretty. See how beautiful it is. This hair is so nice. Okay, so join me as I take you through the steps how I achieve this look from scratch. Okay, just stay tuned. Enjoy the story behind this hair. Okay, just enjoy. So let me tell you the brain behind this hair, the reason I made this hair. Okay, so the hair came, the bundles were six. Yeah, so I've already set my dummy head already. Okay, so I saw this hair, I think on Instagram, right? So I love the hair so much. It was looking so nice. I was like, wow, I want this hair. Okay, so I told the person I want this same hair. I want it, and the lady said, okay, I should give her a minute. She'll get back to me. So a minute turned into 2 days, and I went back again. I was like, hey ma'am, I didn't hear from you again. I was the one who asked you about the wig, that Kelly Bouncy a wig. And she was like, okay on Instagram. And I said yes. And she was like, oh, the hair's finished, it's out of stock, and I've gotten a lot of messages, so sorry. So she'll get back to me when they have those hairs in stock. And I said okay, but I've waited for almost a month. I've not heard from her, and I said okay, I just have to get this hair myself. Okay, so I took the picture. I took it to lots of hair vendors. Okay, I didn't get. So me being a stylist, a hairstylist, I was like, and I do sell hairs as well. Yeah, I do sell hairs. I do make hairs, and I'm a trainer as well. So I was like, okay, I have to do this. I have to find ways and means to get this hair myself. Okay, so I rushed myself to. Before then, I was running through social media to see or find similar hair, maybe bundles or something like that, so that I can use it to create this beautiful look. But I didn't. So I said maybe I should go to the market and see. Maybe I will get. So I went to Makola. Okay, I went to Makola. I showed the hair to the people that maybe they will get similar. They were giving me different, like a different vibe. I nearly gave up, but I came home that day, so I had orders, so I had to go and take them from my delivery guy. Okay, so I took the things, and I was like, my setting spray is finished, and I have to stock some products, so I have to go to the market to stock them. So when I went to one of the shops, I was sitting, they were packaging my stuff. So I was sitting there and I was looking through the hairs. Maybe I'll find something catchy. Surprisingly, I saw this hair. So quickly, I took my phone. Please, you trying to listen to my story, please focus on the hair. Okay, focus on it. Okay, I just want you to feel your stay on my channel. I just want you to feel okay. By you listening, I want you to stay focused. Okay, so surprisingly, I took my phone and I was comparing the color. They didn't allow me to feel the hair. That was okay because that was their policy. So I was like, okay, let me take this hair, because the color was similar. I was like, okay, maybe I can create something, if it's not the same, but I could achieve something similar. Okay, so I brought it home. I brought this hair home, and I didn't even open the hair. I threw it somewhere because I was doubting. When I came home and fit, like when I feel the hair, like I wasn't into the hair that much. It was less expensive. I wasn't feeling the hair that much, so I threw it somewhere. I was like, okay, I'll do it. This hair has been here for how long? Getting to 6-7 months now. I swear, I've not touched the hair. I saw someone again on Instagram wearing it black, and I quickly remembered I have a wig to do. So that was when I was looking for the hair. So I thought someone has come for it, because when friends come over, they take whatever they want. So I thought someone has taken it. God being so good, I found this hair. So yeah, I decided to feel the hair, see how the hair, like I want to feel the texture. And trust me, when I say trust me, the hair was so soft. Very, very, when I say something is soft, this hair is soft. Trust me, this hair is so soft. So I was like, really? So I brushed through one, and I was like, and I was sleeping on this. I asked myself several questions. I was like, and I was sleeping on this. So this hair was this nice, and I was sleeping on it. I thought, okay, let's see what I can do to this hair. So then I started. Okay, so I was wondering the exact wig cap for this hair, because you cannot use any wig cap. Okay, before I do my wigs, I have to consider what I'm doing, the type of wig I'm doing, the type of weave-on I'm doing, the type of wig I'm doing, the style, everything. Okay, so I was wondering, because this is a French, I can turn into a ponytail. Okay, I can use it as a ponytail. Okay, in my next video, I will be wearing this beautiful wig. Okay, this beautiful curly bang. I'll wear it, okay, and style it for you to see. Okay, so this hair has to, function differently. Okay, so choosing this wig cap is something I think it's good, because I can use this hair, this same wig, this bank wig, for a ponytail, a lovely ponytail. I won't lie to you. I will use it for you to see. Okay. The reason behind this wig, this cap is it's very soft, and you can control it. Okay, you can control this cap, this cap. Okay, yeah, that is why I use it. I didn't only use it because I wanted to use it for this particular wig, but I thought as much, like I thought otherwise, because I want it to function differently. I want this wig to function differently. I want to use it anyhow I want to. Okay, yeah. So that's how I decided to use this wig cap. You can control this cap. You can do whatever you want to do with this cap. It's very, very soft. Okay, it's very soft. So yeah, that is why I chose this wig cap. Yeah. And again, let me repeat this again, okay? Please focus on the wig. I want you to be happy. I want you to be happy on my channel. That's why I'm giving you this story. Okay, don't say it's not necessary. It's very necessary, okay? Why I wanted to do this wig. It's very, very necessary. I don't want you to just look at the wig. I want you to feel okay, feel comfortable watching this video. I don't want you to be bored watching. Okay, so yeah, when I was the mommy was like, this wig, I think mommy don't like wigs. Trust me, mommy do not like wigs. Okay, so just look at how the bundles are. See, you see how it is. It's very easy to to how do I say it? It's very easy to handle. The hair is so soft that like it's tangle free. Okay, see, you can brush, you can use your hands to brush through. The hair is soft. If I say soft, it's soft. Trust me, it's easy to handle. See, the hair is so soft. Okay, and here my phone battery was, when I was filming this part, my phone battery was, I think 3%. So I was scared. I was like, wow, it was 3%. I won't lie to you. It was giving me warnings upon warnings. I will lie. sorry though, but it was getting late. I need to finish this. Okay, I need to finish this. So yes, because the battery was low, you see the changes of the video. The video was changing in those days. Sorry, it was giving 2 colors. Because the battery was low. Because my phone battery was low. Okay, sorry. But all the same, is the same wig, but just that it was giving warnings. So, and because my battery was low, I couldn't finish with the video. I won't lie to you. I couldn't finish the video. So, yeah, I couldn't finish. And, I don't know whether the message would take 8 slides or something. I didn't know, so I had to do everything fast. So yeah, so as I said, my battery was low, so I had to put it on charge. Here it was giving strong warnings. You know how iPhones are. When it's on low battery, I think that the temperature gets it gets hot. Yeah, it was getting hot. I was even scared because my phone hasn't gone that low before. So I was scared. Though. So I couldn't finish. I couldn't do the cutting on camera, everything I didn't. So yeah, yes, I did the cutting, the styling, the combing behind scene. Yeah, behind scene. So please, sorry. If you want me to do the cutting and everything, comb everything, just put it in the comment section. I promise you I will do that for you. Yeah, I'll do that for you. If you want me to do the cutting, styling, like combing everything, just comment, and I will do it for you. Okay. Thank you so much. How do you check this hair now?